Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 8th of August 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.60%, settling the day at 38,763.45 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,195.81, falling 1.05%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 34,718.47 and Hang Seng is trading at 16,773.04. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,171.50, indicating a gap down start for the Indian market. FII sold 3,314.76 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. FSS, one of India's oldest payment companies, is exploring options to provide an exit for its private equity investors. Moody's upgrades Tata Motors ratings to bar1, outlook remains positive. BSE's net profit declined 40% to 265 crore rupees while NSE's net profit jumped 39% to 2,567 crore rupees in Q1 FY25. Now talking about global aspects, the yen dropped on Wednesday after an influential Bank of Japan official played down the chances of a near-term rate hike, soothing investors' concerns. Crude oil inventories in the US fell by 3.728 million barrels, firmly above market expectations of a 0.4 million barrel draw. On the other hand, stocks at the Cushing, Oklahoma, delivery hub rose by 579,000 barrels, up from a 1.106 million drop. WTI gained 2.77% to $75.23 and the Brent settled up 2.42% at $78.33 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 102.93. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 3.92%, down. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices witnessed a sharp rebound, aligning with the upward movement observed in global markets. This optimism was bolstered by the Bank of Japan's decision to refrain from hiking rates amidst market instability, a move aimed at stabilizing the yen and preventing significant unwinding of the yen carry trades. Outlook for the day. The Nifty 50 index is currently encountering resistance around the 24,350 level and gave closing near day's high. It has established support at 24,000, which will now serve as a key support level. Should the index fall below this threshold, a decline towards 23,700 is anticipated. Conversely, if the index manages to sustain above 24,350, we could see a move towards 24,600. The overall market structure appears weak, indicating a sideways to sell on rise strategy. Nifty Bank is finding support near the 49,800 level. A drop below this could lead to a decline towards 49,500. Resistance is observed at 50,300, and if the index sustains above this level, it could sharply move towards 51,700 and 52,000. Overall, the trend indicates weak sentiment, suggesting a sell on rise to sideways strategy. Stocks on radar are Cummins, Tata Motors, Chambal Fertilizers, Persistent, TVS Motor. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.